What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be talking about my next options play, which is Mara. And as you can see right here, we have a $19 call expiring on the 19th of March. So we have about 2 months for this contract to reach $19, and we're actually up 60 bucks on it today. So I'm going to switch over to Robinhood real quick, just because I think that their charts are much larger and easier to display information on. Webull does have a lot of information on their charts, but sometimes that can be a bit overwhelming. So let's go over to Robinhood right here, and we can see that Mara is actually down still, and at some point it was down 20%. Now, if you don't know what Mara does, they actually mine Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is doing well, usually that means that Mara and Riot, which is another company which mines Bitcoin, they're going to be doing well also. So Bitcoin has recently exploded, and if we check out Mara's 3-month chart, it just indicates that too. Mara used to be at around $2, and after Bitcoin went from 9,000 up to 41,000 at some point, it hit highs of $27. So if we look at the 52-week high, it was actually $28.37. So Mara has a lot of potential. If Bitcoin keeps climbing, Mara will as well. Now the thing is, Mara this past week has been dropping tremendously. Bitcoin is down a bit, so if we go over to Bitcoin, it's down at 35,000, and this whole week it's been dropping, but it's still overall up. And this is more of a speculative play. I'm not for sure that Bitcoin is going to skyrocket, but seeing how Mara has been doing, how Bitcoin has been doing, I'm willing to put some skin in the game. And basically that's what I did here with this contract. It cost me $545 to get in this position, and the strike price is 19. It basically has already reached that strike price if we check out Mara, even after hours. Well, no, I lied. If you don't take into consideration after hours, but we're so close to breaking past that strike price. And if Mara can just reverse what happened these past couple days, then we'll be in tip-top shape. I have seen Mara jump from $27 to $19, $20 in one day, then the next day just go all the way back up to 26, and then another day go all the way back down to 22. So it's a very volatile stock. So I'm very much hoping that tomorrow it just opens up in the upwards to 20, and if it does, then I'm going to sell out of my position because I'm already up 60 bucks. So I'm already profitable, and I'm not going to hold this all the way through into March just because it's a little risky. Again, it's a speculative play, but we're already up 10% on it, and hopefully Mara will continue to jump into the after hours. I mean, it's down right now, but who knows? Maybe tomorrow it'll be up. And I just wanted to give you all a heads up of which options play I was doing up next. So Mara, that's the one I got right now. Dropbox, I actually doubled down on Dropbox, as you can see right here. If I minimize all of the things that I have going on with Dropbox, I have around $14,000 in Dropbox. So very excited for Dropbox. Hopefully it goes up in the near future. It's up in the after hours, and it was up today. So it's good news for us. Hopefully Dropbox explodes, it does great on earnings, and then those contracts will be worth a lot more, and I can sell them, and then I'll make another video on what my upcoming strategy is once I sell all my Dropbox contracts. That's going to be it for today though. Thank you all for watching. You're all amazing, great people, and I'll talk to you later.